extend my heartfelt condolences to the family, Chris. I've worked with Tita Glo numerous times, and if I may say, growing up, kapareho rin po ni Miss Lani Mercado, mahilig ako manood ng black and white movies. So together with Tita Nita and everybody else, lagi ko siya pinapanood. If there are two actresses that I respect in the industry, that's Miss Lolita Rodriguez and Miss Gloria Romero. I've learned so much from her, working with her in Tanging Yaman. We did several teleseries. And alagang-alaga po namin siya nila Direk Gwen. My relationship with Tita Gloria was not more of as a colleague, as a co-actress, but more of a mas personal. Recently lang nag-uusap po kami ni John Estrada, kasi pinag-uusapan namin yung mga artista ng araw, the working ethics, and that's, we were discussing na sana yun yung matutunan ng mga bata na nag-artista ngayon. And sabi nga namin, siguro just about November, na gusto namin siyang bisitahin. And sabi ko rin kay Ami kanina, sabi ko, Ami, naiingit ako because I saw sa Instagram, she celebrated her birthday recently. Sabi ko, ba't hindi kami naimbitahan? so, because we've been wanting to visit Tita Gloria, and we've been wondering how she was. And, yun, kahit hindi nakikita, nakakausap, our love is always with her. Yun nga, alagang-alaga po namin din siya ni Direk Gwen Daramas. Si Tita Gloria is one actress, everybody knows already, she's inspired so many, her working ethics is unbelievable. Pero si Tita Gloria hindi nagagalit. Hindi siya nagagalit. At saka if there's one thing, never siya nagmura. Hindi siya nagmumura. If I may just share, but there's this one teleserye, the first time ko in all the years that I've worked with her, first time ko siya nakita mairita, tapos nainis, tapos kasi pagod na siya, and she was working till I think 2 a.m. So pagod na siya. So inaalagaan namin yan. So pumasok ng dressing room, sabi ko, Tita Glo, kumusta ka? Are you okay? Okay ka lang po? Sabi niya, puto. Kasi hindi siya nagagalit. So that's one thing sabi ko, grabe. Tapos minsan naman, ako naman yung nagalit sa set. Tapos nakita ko si Tita Gloria. Sabi ko, Tita Gloria, sorry po. Sabi niya, sige lang. But, and she's a very unassuming woman, with all her accolades, being the queen. She'll always be my queen of Philippine cinema. Being the queen of the Philippine cinema, napaka-unassuming. Whenever she works, she'll just stay in one corner. She'll tell you stories, she'll tell you advices. Ganun lang, simple. She will not call any attention to herself, even if everybody's busy, even if everybody's giving attention to her. Pero napaka-unassuming, doon lang, tapos mag-work lang, tapos matataas yung trabaho, magpapaalam na siya, ganun lang siya. We will surely miss her. She's one of the inspiration, a model for our generation of actors, and how I wish that the generation of actors today met her. Our prayers should always be with you, Marites and Chris, and to the whole family, and we will always pray for Tita Glo, and we will surely miss her. Thank you very much, and good night.
Ina, okay na si Carrie ba? Now may I call on the ever gorgeous and one of the biggest stars also of the movie industry,